This is where Rush realized he should have went to an independent shop.
I have an appointment on Monday just in case this doesn't work. Alright, so today we're going to replace both of these seats as well as the door panels. The reason we're going to replace the seats is because when I bought this car, it smells really bad inside. And so we're going to switch out the seats and see what happens. That's also why we have two new car scent Little Tree air fresheners if they want to sponsor us.
So to take out the seats, we need an E12 Torx socket. I'm going to put it on this socket wrench, which is used to put sockets on. And then
You just kind of mess around until something happens.
yeah, basically.
Are you you're tightening it, aren't you?
I am. That I am.
It's worth noting that there are four E12 size bolts. Two in the front, two in the back.
Why does your impact smell like this?
Because it works for a living.
Why do people use hand tools for everything?
Oh, these balls.
And you can take these and just throw them anywhere.
I am going out, aren't I?
You don't know?
You don't know if you're going in or out?
What's going on here?
This is where Rush realized he should have went to an independent shop.
I have an appointment on Monday just in case this doesn't work.
It's not moving.
Hey!
That one came out.
You can take that and you can just throw that anywhere.
Oh my god, I hate you so much.
There we go.
All right, we're 4 bolts in and we've only stripped 3 of them.
Hey, where do I put this?
You can take that and you can just throw that anywhere.
So, what's happening right now? Sam is trying to undo a harness that clicks into the front of the seat. It has a clip and a... Yep.
Oh, fuck me.
Did you get off?
No?
Rush sent us a video of how we're supposed to do this and none of us watched it.
Well, I did. Sam is going to go back and watch the video on what he needs to do next. Austin is going to work on... Look at that man work. I've never been so hot and bothered in my life.
It's just the raw masculine bull testosterone flowing through this man is something else. I'm not gonna lie, it looks like your head is stuck now, Sam. Are we gonna have to grease you up with some lard to get to pull you back out?
Well, you don't have to, but I'd like you to if you'd like.
What the hell is this connector, dude?
If you would have watched the video, Sam. If you would have just watched the video. So I have a very important task right now. I'm basically holding this seat here with all of my strength while I wait for Sam.
That's all of your strength?
Yeah, this is all over right here.
Is this thing in park or in first? Is the parking brake engaged?
Do you see any grommets down there?
Did you just learn the word grommets?
We did, we learned it.
For the taillight video. I think these are grommets. I think. Or maybe this is a grommet. I don't know. But we're gonna...
Is this the grommet?
This. I think this is a grommet. Maybe. I don't know. It's all grommets.
Everything back here is just grommets.
What's this?
Another grommet I see. It goes inside of there, inside the grommet.
Is this a grommet?
I'm guessing. Here's a post, there's a grommet.
As long as there's no grommets, this job should take no more than 4 or 5 hours.
Yeah, to be honest, I have no idea why or what is happening here.
This connector right there, is that what we're looking at?
Yep.
Do we need that though, technically speaking?
Remove.
Do you need the clip?
Yeah. Do we need that entire unit? We could just snip it at the base.
I don't think that would work.
I think it would let the seat go, or we'd get it out.
True. I think you're thinking short game. As of now, I'm going to keep my Monday appointment.
So are you scrolling on Instagram right now? What?
There's a tab here.
Yeah. I thought you already removed the tab.
No, there's another tab. Tab number 2.
For the record, you and I have not done nothing yet.
That's correct. Yeah, that's absolutely correct.
I thought the white thing was the tab.
No, there's another tab. Do you have another screwdriver?
Austin, did you say you needed a flathead?
Oh, sweet. It's not a flathead though.
I told you to check if it was the flathead. This is why you're on camera.
This is why I'm on the camera. Oh yeah.
That's the nice thing about it being.
One flathead screwdriver coming right up.
How can I help you?
The reach is insane.
We finally have the right tool for the job.
Dude, it's so hard to work with a 24-inch long screwdriver in a car.
Technically it's 36, but.
Hey, Sam, try this. It works better.
Your little T-Rex arms can't get to it, so you might need to use those.
He's 6'5", but his wingspan is about like 48 inches.
Yeah.
48 minutes later, here we are.
Hey guys, I won.
Oh!
Was this car broken into?
Next, you're just gonna grab this seat and put this anywhere.
Is it anywhere?
When you take out your seats, you will find that your Miata has broken glass inside. So you want at that point, vacuum that up.
Just shows Austin's experience with drugs. That
You think it was a micro blunt?
It's a micro blunt.
Is it a Lego?
Yo, let me get a fat rip on that.
Hey,
I have no idea what this is, but I
Rush.
don't think this is drug paraphernalia.
On these clips, this little white part right here. Get a better lighting.
Austin, keep talking. Are you shooting?
Yeah. This little white part slides up, and then there's a little tab in there that you need to push in with the screwdriver or something. Give it a proper yank.
Somebody at one point broke into this car, now I have to clean it up. We don't know that, allegedly.
Do you think that's where one of the cup holders went? Because they were missing a cup
They
holder.
broke in for just steal one of the cup holders?
Yep.
All right. So now we've taken out the seats. We are practically done with this project. Next step is to remove the door panels, and then we should be pretty much good to go. All right, how do you get out of here?
I honestly don't know. I feel. Is this how old men feel getting out of bed?
All right, pull. What do you think I'm doing? Keep her pull. Pull, keeper. Keeper, pull. You're not pulling. Keep it. Pull. Pull. I'm helping. Wow.
As always, Keeper is the best of the group at pulling out.
And just like that, you need a respray.
There you go. Good as new.
Yep.
Apply more throttle.
Hate him.
Rush, first impressions?
On the next episode, we put the old ones back in.
No, they're nice. Supportive.
We did a great job.
Yeah, we did. So the door panels should be pretty simple. There's two places where you're going to take trim off. Because this is used, one piece is already missing. So there's trim here and trim here. And then you go behind the door handle and you pull this thing out. You just gotta keep doing stuff until something happens.
Realistically, just use as much brute force as you can.
All right. So for this, we have two Phillips screws. So we need a flathead. Throw that anywhere. All right. All right. So you're gonna take your flathead. You're gonna find these screws, and you're just gonna kind of stick them in there, and just kind of go right. And so soon they'll come out. All right. So 3 hands in, we have our first screw out.
You can take that and you can just throw that anywhere.
And we're gonna come to this guy. Same thing. And you won't be standing during this. Better for your back. That's why you want a long screwdriver. Stretch it out.
That is
Stretch it out.
better, yeah.
You want to take that screw, you want to throw that anywhere. So we're going to take our trim tool. The box came with a bunch of them. I'm going to use this one.
And Rush, please explain why you're using that one.
It's the first one that I got to.
Ah, gotcha. Yeah.
Be careful with your glass, because you're going to end up like the last guy that did this door.
It turns out these are the third door panels the cars have.
Or how about here? How about here?
Take this.
I think there's 7 clips that go all the way around.
Right there.
All right. And now you want to check to see how many clips are broken.
Quite a few. Yeah. Quite a few. Door panel comes out.
There's 2 clips at the bottom of the panel that you want to take out.
This car's built out of styrofoam? What the hell is this? We can take that and we can just throw that anywhere. So which clips are broken, Sam?
So it looks like we only broke 2.
I'm counting 3.
Where's the third one? Oh, right there.
Yeah. See those cables in there? They're tensioned. So you want to pop that up and then pull the cable out.
Sam, do you want to start breaking
No.
the clips on the other side?
All of them.
The bottom goes in the bottom part, and the top one goes in the top part.
Thank you, Keeper.
So it looks like the little tip is like a kind of like a Z shape, and you just have to get it to go through the hole and kind of stick in place.
There you go.
Bingo bango, baby.
Put those trim clips back on.
All right, so there's a total of, looks like 7 that go into the door. And if you break them to take the door out, make sure you put new ones to put the door back in. You heard it here first.
Also got to plug back in the window and door lock switches so that those work.
2 clips. So the old door panels are really badly scratched, and so these door panels just come from a different trim model. So like, okay, I'll do that. And so the doors at least match like the shift lever and all that kind of stuff, the shift knob. But yes, it is covered in body color, which this car is black. So it's going to be a fingerprint magnet.
That's a lot more satisfying than you pulling the clips out.
I don't know why you're so worried about it.
It's because it sounded horrible. It just sounded like you breaking things over and over and over, which you were, by the way.
Where'd you put that Phillips head screwdriver?
Phillips head
Yes.
screwdriver? Oh,
Why are you stabbing my box?
dude, the box is covered in oil. Are you gonna be precious about this box?
Yeah, it didn't have any holes in it, just oil. Now the oil is gonna go through the hole and get onto the ground, defeating the purpose of the box.
Oh, do you need a screw for this?
Yeah. I just screwed
Oh.
it in and I didn't really like it.
Deliberately placing your hardware in places you can find it is important. That's why if you just throw it anywhere, you know that you can find it anywhere.
Does that look like shit or does it not?
If you look at it from straight on, I mean, yeah, it looks like shit.
I think that's just it, Sam.
Yeah.
It just looks bad, yeah.
Hey, we didn't break it.
Other side, you're just gonna do the exact same thing. I will unscrew the 2 screws, break the clips to take it off, put new clips in, plug it back in.
All right, so next we are just removing this little tiny piece of trim right here to put in one that matches the top of the drawer trim.
What is drawer trim? The door trim piece itself has 3 clips. 2 on the top that go along the dash and then 1 on the bottom. And so Kip will now demonstrate how to remove the existing.
Jam it in and yank.
He's so confident he's only using one hand.
I just pushed one back in, damn it.
That's on this side.
Easy. And it helps, I found on the other side, to hook the bottom in first, because you don't have a lot of room to move backward and forward. So you can hook it in the bottom, kind of rotate it into place, ish, and then it pushes in super easy. So that is that. I didn't think it was actually that bad, and I expected everything to go really poorly, and it mostly didn't. How much did they quote you to do this at the shop?
They quoted $275 to do the door panels and both seats to replace everything.
Do you think it was worth it to save the money and do it yourself?
Yes, mainly because you and I didn't do anything.
That's correct, yeah. Sam and Austin did everything. So, if you have friends who are handier than you, save the money and make them do it.
It took us about an hour and a half. Well, it took them about an hour and a half to do it. and it could have went faster if everyone just watched the videos I had said. But watch a video, probably not this one because I don't know how informative this will be.
Almost not at all.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.